Hello, today I'm going to solve the FreeCodeCamp data analysis with Python projects. So this is the second project. So let's start it. Here they actually give us questions, several questions. So I'm gonna explain and take data from this CSV file. I will show it, and we're gonna uh, use our test module here. Okay, so just firstly, from here, what they want, just come here and start from here. Okay, so firstly we should read our file, right? So read CSV, yes, and here, that's it. Okay, it will read it. Okay, so they ask how many of each race are represented in this data set. So I'm just going to check the column name. Okay, so I can say yes, you can see, you can show it. Okay, so there's my race here, so you can see my column name just as they ask. Okay, so I'm gonna say hi df, bring my race column, and then value counts I will use, and now I'm gonna do it like to list. Okay, I forget parentheses here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so no, next one. Okay, that's it. What is the average of the main? Okay, you can actually say hi df, and this is my column name here for finding the man or female here. Okay, so the important thing is just look at the it is big character or small. Okay, so I would say, okay, this is equal male, right? Okay, so then I will take my age, and let's just go another line, and I can use here numpy. Okay, for the mean, import numpy as np. So here we go, numpy mean, and I will want these data here, so it will actually find the mean of this one. That's it. This is just this question. Okay, but here actually they found this value in a rounded. Okay, so I'm just going here, write round, and I will say okay, just one decimal. So that's it. Just check it, you found something or not. Okay, it doesn't appear because I actually forget to call my function. Okay, call in here. Yes, that's okay. It will work now. Yep, we find the average of the main as they want. Okay, so what is the percentage of people who have a bachelor's degree? Okay, so let's find the firstly my column here. So okay, here's the education, bachelor's, it's going like that. Okay, so I'm gonna use the name of this column. So df, you find my column where I data's here, and I will take the length of this one, so for the using it. And actually I will say here, okay, for the bachelor's degree I can actually do something like that. idf, again, I want to just find bachelor's, okay, so again in parentheses, so it actually finishes. Okay, so what about my total education? Okay, then I just need this, yes, and then take the length of this one. So maybe you can find another solution for this question, but for me it's the simple way. So for the percentage bachelors, I want to say, okay, tab, and it will equal percentage bachelors divide total education. So I will again run it, because when we are going to test these codes, I don't want to see an error. Okay, so yes, just one decimal. Okay, I finished it. So another question, what percentage of people with advanced education, okay, bachelor's, master's, or another, make more than 50,000? Okay, so actually I thought it a little bit. I will write the code here. Okay, I actually thought maybe I can do it like that. Hey, I can use the log for finding the index. Okay, so idea of education and string, which starts with B, I mean bachelors, and M and D, not and. Actually, this is or. Okay, so then after that I say, but they should get a salary with this one number. Okay, so that's it. um, I will pass the lower education for now. I will say who have actually degree of bachelor's, master's, but they actually can get bigger than 50 or smaller than 50. Okay, so higher education, this will be the second one, but I will just take it from here to here. Okay, so take it, yes, so we can find it now, our percentage like the before one. Okay, I wrote it, and also I again rounded this number, so length of the higher education and length of the second higher education, and then I take the just one decimal. Okay, so actually we can see the answer from here. So we should find just this percentage of 16. Okay, so lower education actually is similar, but I actually want to show a different way. So I firstly wanna look at the here idea of log and idea of then showing the, we will get the salary okay. So and I will find the lower education as like that. Hey, give me the first number of this one. Okay, so actually this actually has the all of the education degrees, right? So lower education. Okay, and I will actually subtract from the range of the higher education, who actually have bachelor's, master's, or doctorate. So you can now find, okay, this is minus. You can now find the lower education, right? This is total. This is just what I don't want. Okay, so now this is the very easy question now. Okay, here I actually find the lower education, okay, as they want. But actually I found the whole education also here, total education, right? So I wrote it and then I said, okay, minus higher education 2, okay? So you can now find the percentage of these lower education rich people. Okay, next questions. What is the minimum number of hours a person works per week? So let's think of it. We actually can use the minimum here. So I'm gonna write the IDF find. Okay, what is it? Column name here. Yes, hours per week. So copy it, and that's it. Then I will say just find the minimum of it. Okay, so we can see it now. What's the number of it? So here 1 hours per week. Okay, so then they ask what percentage of the people who work the minimum number of hours per week have a salary of, and then they will get a actually bigger than 50,000. Okay, wow. So now actually I know the minimum hours is the 1 hour, right? So I would say, so minimum work df.log, and df, I'm searching the hours per week. Okay, so and I want it should be equal to the 1. Okay, so then number minimum of workers, hey df.log, then what I will say here, okay, we can actually take it from here. Okay, yes, not more parentheses, I don't want, and I want to say, hey, I should use here and operator, then I should say it should be actually salary condition. Okay, so take the salary condition here. So now I can find the reach percentage. So hey, range number minimum workers and over range minimum work. Okay, so actually again I'm going to run with this number, and that's it. So normally, of course, I taught these questions before. Okay, so just don't look at the answers, then try some way, and then get help from here. So the other question, what country has the highest percentage of people that earn bigger than 50? Okay, so they want actually a country name, also the percentage. Okay, I think this is the uh, hardest problem in here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I actually try here, I need df, and df dots look, again I actually take this condition. Okay, I don't wanna lose time here. Okay, yep, take it. Okay, oh, okay, so then I want to find the country, but let's check if the countries, where is it? Yes, okay, native country. Okay, here is our country. So yes, native country, find, and then actually get this one fit together. Okay, so after that I just want to find this one, native country, but they don't have to take an salary bigger than 50. Okay, so again I will say value counts, because it can put together the same country. So now actually the hardest part finished. Okay, so I will actually want to find what is the maximum percentage in here. Okay, now I can find the country like that, but after that I should find the percentage. Okay, so maybe we can find firstly country. Okay, here I will divide new df over new df2. So I want to say, hey, sort my values, and I will use the ascending. It should be false, so I can see the highest earning country. Okay, so and I will take the first one. So I said index 0. Okay, it finished. We can see which one. There's a mistake. Okay, we can use here another parenthesis. Okay, so start. I forget the number. Okay, start. Yes, the highest actually percentage of the rich country is iron. Okay, interesting. Okay, now we should find the percentage, exactly a number we should find. So let's say, hey, richest should equal new and df divide new no, sorry, df2, and now find my, okay, I'll say richest and maximum value from here. So we can now write here reaches, right? So round also the number. Let's check it. What we got. Okay, this is actually belong to the this country, right? Okay, so the last question is here. Identify the most popular occupation for those who earn bigger than 50, and we should find people from India, right? Okay, so what can I do here? I actually just find the India country and occupation column. Okay, let's try it in India df.log and then df. Okay, I'm not going to write it again, it will be the same. Okay, yeah, and also I will use the AND operator here, and I will say, hey df, choose my column of native country, and it should be equal India. Okay, then I will say find their occupation. Let's check if this is the true column name or not. Where is the occupation? Where is it? Didn't see that. Yes. So occupation here. Okay. So it will find country and their salary with this condition, and it will find also their job. Okay. So I will actually want to use here mod. So what should I write to first part? Maybe not from the statistic, but I can take from the pandas series to find their frequency. Okay, so because they actually use like this most, right? Okay, so I will say mod, hey India, and give me the first one. So that's it, we actually finish it. Yes, this is the prof specialty. This is the top occupations in India, and they actually get this salary, and we finish all of the questions. So let's check these are true or not from the test module. So let's go here, plate, and that's it. Yes, we can run it. Okay. Okay, I just get an error from here because of the name of it. This is just a easy problem. So let's look at it again. Okay, it will check it. There is no error. Okay, just one error here. What is it? List object has no attribute to list. Here. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, I will take it from here because I want to see something like that, but it's okay. I don't care. Okay, because it will show is like that, so there should be no error now. Yep, Yep. Yes, I saw the okay. So that's it. This is just if you wanna ask something, you can comment and like it, and that's it. This is just an exercise from this uh, website. So this is very fun, I think. Have a nice day.